video I'll be showing you what a function is. A function is a reusable block of code that performs specific tasks. User-defined functions start with function, followed by the function name. Then we echo what we wanted to echo. Now you can see this is not responding because we didn't call the function. Now we'll have to call the function by writing function name, bracket, close bracket. This would call the function. The purpose of using function is because it reduces repetition and organizes our code. Don't forget that the user-defined function starts with the word function, followed by the function name. Now, arguments are value passed to the functions. Function YouTube is an argument, and we call that by using $sign argument. You can see that arguments are value passed to functions. So we've passed that as a value, which is YouTube. Now we use argument to call it. So let's declare another variable. And let's give it the value of YouTube. Now let's pass that as an argument or parameter. You can see that YouTube channel. I'm passing A. Let's try another example. Now let's say variable A equals to 50 and variable B equals to 10. Now function, and the function name, which is add both. Let's pass, we're going to be passing A and B. Now we're going to, in the function we'll say variable C equals to variable A plus B. Now we echo C. Now let's pass that, let's call the function and also pass the value, which is A, which is 50 plus 60, 50 plus 10, 60. I hope you understand this. These are ways we can always pass values to our function. So let's pass in variable A plus B. You can see that we can pass it using $sign and also pass string, and let's call that D. And let's say D concatenate C. You're going to say variable A plus B equals to 60. You see that? That is the use of function. It organizes our code and it reduces repetition. You can just pass in the parameters or argument. So in this, we are going to be passing two arguments, which is A and B, and we will return. Return statement is for returning function value. So when you see that return, it's going to return A multiply B, which is 3 times 5 that we pass. You can see that, which is 15. Let's try another example so you can understand better. You should do this on your own. You can use different function name, but don't forget it starts with function. And the arguments are value passed to the function. Argument and parameters. So this is an argument. Greet Samuel is an argument passed to it. So it's going to say good morning Samuel. So you understand that now? You pass that to the function, which is greet, open bracket name, good morning Samuel is going to do the same. Good morning Vicent. You can see that. That is how to pass in different, instead of repeating the code, we can just pass in our argument. Let's try something else. In a function, we can also use the if-else statement. We can use the for each. We can use whatever in a function, inside a function. So in this function, we are going to be passing name and time. So let's say if the time is equals to 1, echo good morning, concatenate the name, else echo good afternoon, then concatenate the name. We only wrote name there, so now we are going to be calling the functions and also passing the time. So let's go ahead by writing greet. Now the name first, which is Samuel, that is the first argument, which is going to be the $sign name, then 2, which is going to be the time. I hope you understand this now. I hope you understand. You can see we are passing 2, which is not 1, so it's going to bring out good afternoon. You get that? You get that? Now it's 1, and let's change the name to recent. The first, which is name, and time, which is the 1 now. Now it's 1. So good morning, recent. That's it for function. You can try this on your own with your style.